Hi, this is Doug with the Spokesman. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Placer app. I'm going to be demoing mainly on the Macintosh, but it's very similar on the Windows version as well. I'm going to go ahead and start Placer. You can have it to automatically log you in, which mine does once you have an account, and you can also have it automatically start up with your machine, both on the Mac and the Windows. For this demo, I didn't have it start up. So I'm going to start up manually, and I'm here at the Safeway on 29th, which has not been placed yet. So it's going to prompt me to ask me about, do I know this new place? I'm going to skip. I've already checked, but this is a great way to check. Up in here, there's new place. I'm going to go ahead and say I'm doing a demo. And I'm going to go ahead and place this. So I'm going to go place me. I'm going to ask me to create a new place. And this is a great way. This would automatically do it. So with this place, I'm going to go, what is it? It's a Safeway. I'm going to go on 29th since there's many Safeways in the area, and most of them are getting Wi-Fi, as I've said. What kind is it? They don't have what really fits in. It's a shop. I guess I can make it a shop, but they don't have like a food store, so I'm going to leave it other. And this is in Spokane. Our zip code here is 99223, and this is the address. So I'm going to now tell it to create a place right there. It does a Google Map search to make sure, and it formats so they keep the formatting the same. And it'll now save the place. So the next time someone comes here, if they launch the Places app, they'll automatically be identified here. Zooming in here a little bit more, I can have it do the following. I can say, show me, open the Placer. And just like the website, I can have it show me what my friends are doing. There's Harry, Stefan, all that way. I'm going to quickly show you the same thing up on the Windows as well. So the more eagle-eyed of you probably noticed I misspelled Safeway. So I'm over here in Windows under XP, and I'm going to zoom in here, and you're going to see Placer is now down here in the sys tray. On the Mac, it's up on the menu bar. I'm going ahead and go ahead and tell it to open up the main Placer little app. I'm going to zoom back out a little bit so you can see it. So that looks very much like what we saw before. Now, see, the Safeway is misspelled, so I'm going to go up here and hit Safeway, and it's going to open up the Places website. I'm going to zoom out here a little bit so we can see a little bit better. And here it is. Now, since I'm already logged in, I can edit this place. I could also add a picture to it. If I had a Flickr photo or wanted to upload a photo to Places of this Safeway, I could do that. So I'm going to go ahead here and edit this place so people can find it. And I'm going to misspell Safeway correctly now. What kind of link has free Wi-Fi? Now that's something the Placer does not right now let you do. The other thing which it doesn't let you do is tell it if you want to make it a member of a group. So I'm going to save that. Verifies the address again. Oh, whoops. I must put an HTTP there. It's a little bit more self-correcting that way, which is nice. They're trying to keep their data very pure. Now the other thing you can do is add it to a group. And we have the Spokane group, and if you become a member of that group, you can add places around Spokane to the group. So I'm going to go ahead here and hit Add to Group. And I'm going to, Spokane's the first one on my list. So I said add this Places to group. Places can belong to many groups, so if you have a phone router, it can be part of a phone router group as well as the Spokane group if it's some club or whatever, so it can be multiple. So here's the Spokane group. We have 2 members right now and 150 places. Next, I'm going to move in and show you the one issue which you encounter with T-Mobile. Log now into a T-Mobile hotspot, and you can find those at most Starbucks, FedEx, Kinko's, and border bookstores in the United States, plus some places like some hotels. The problem is the Placer can't identify you exactly on those networks. If I scroll in here, you'll see that it says I'm at the Starbucks at Main and Post in Spokane. The problem is I'm actually at the Shadle Starbucks, but because of that MAC address issue that they give out the same MAC address at all those locations, and the MAC address, I'm not talking about a Macintosh computer here, I'm talking about the network, that serial number which can be identified by the Placer software, the software up here that is used to map to its database to what the locations are, and that's done by the networking equipment. So I'm going to zoom out here a little bit and show you. I'm going to change my spot. When it does this, I'm going to go pick the Shadle Park address. down here. And you can type in and look for places. And I'm going to go ahead here and saying what I'm doing here is right now is demoing. Scroll out a little bit, have it place me. Now we'll go back up here. And you'll see right here, it's now showing at Shadle Park. I'm going to go over here to the Places homepage. I'm going to have it refresh that site. Notice the map here showing me was originally downtown. It's going to say demoing. It's going to show me over here at the Shadle Park Shopping Center, right there, doing it. Now, if you use the Places widget on your homepage, which I do, I'm going to go ahead here. I can also update that as well. And that's using that API set. Those are tools for programmers to allow them to build applications around things. So, dougdobbins.com. We scroll down here. You can see that it's showing me at Starbucks. So, Places has a lot of interesting tools which can be used out there, and because they've opened, and it's a good community site. It's built around having its private email system. It has other community services like groups and friends and helping you help find friends. Just going back here, one of the new things which they even have on their website is like, here's Harry's friends. Do any of these people look like people I know? You see right there to help you out. So it's doing a lot of things to help you build a community, and because of those APIs, those programmers tools, people are able to build apps around it, commonly called mashups, to do things. That's what that widget was. So I expect to see a lot of good things about it, and it's a great way to share where your location is, a great way to find Wi-Fi hotspots near you or in areas that you're traveling to, and let people know where you've been and where you want to go, and have control of that so you can maintain your privacy. Thank you for watching this video demo. This is Doug again with the Spokesman, and have a great day.